weight on living things and the environment. Okay? So, Miss Abukar, can you have a review of what we had done yesterday? Okay, so according to Ms. Abukar, yesterday, we talked about the effects of the UVR to the living things and to the environment. What else? How about you, Ms. Marcaida? Can you give us a review of what we had done yesterday? The effects of too much exposure of sunlight, especially ourselves and to the other living organism. Okay, so for this morning, yesterday we talked about the effects of the UV rays, and now what are the effects of radio waves and microwave on living things and to the environment. Okay? So, Ms. Pisimo, kindly read first the objective number 1, the first objective. Okay. So, explain the effects of radio wave and microwave on living things and to the environment. Okay, number 2, Ms. De La Cruz. Okay, we need to suggest ways. What are the ways on how to listen the effects of radio waves and okay, so an old woman listening to the radio. Okay, sige, sit down. How about you, Miss? Miss Villarico, what can you say about the picture, the second picture? Okay. A boy watching television. What can you say about the distance of the boy and then the TV? Direct. Okay, so masyado siyang malapit. Next. Okay. How about you? For example, this picture represents you as a couple. What can you say about the picture? What can you say about the picture? Yes, okay. So according to Ms. Cabase, as a matter of fact, class, we experienced that. I myself already experienced that. Especially in the bedtime. I always go to my husband that during bedtime or if we are having the lunch or dinner, you need to switch off your cell phone instead of talking to your children or your wife. They just use the cell phone, so that is not good. So we have the group activity. So group 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So I will count for 10 and then group yourself. Especially just arrange the chair in the circle and then the group 5 just sit down. Okay. Go to your group. Hurry up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Group 1. Hurry up. 5, 6, 7. How about this one? Group 2. Hurry up. Group 2. SIP group. Dali na. on your opinion or your insight. Okay. Group 1. So sa group 1 yan, maya. Group 2, for the group 2, what are the advantages of using cell phone, laptop, TV, and microwave oven? Okay, group 3. Give the disadvantages of using too much TV, cell phone, and listening to radio. Group 4. Group 4, we have how we can minimize the effects of long exposure to radio waves. And group 5, what are the effects of radio waves and microwaves in the environment? Okay. Balikan mo na. Okay. Sige na. Just write your answer in the Manila paper. At least 3 answers. 3. Tatlo. Okay, who was? Hurry up. At least 3 answer. Okay. I will give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 3 minutes more. 2 to 3 answer, that's enough. Okay. Are you done? How about group 1? Group. Okay. You have your answer. 4. Group 5. Okay, that's good. Group 5. Hurry up. Okay, for group 1. Okay. All up. Okay na? How about 4 and the group 2? The output of group 1. Group 1, go to the board. Group. Listen, makinig na dapat. Okay, next. Okay, you put the food inside the microwave oven. How about this one? Okay, the children or the family are watching television. Okay, group number 2. Group 2, represent
using the gadget or appliances, it helps the person to have an information of what is happening in our
Okay. Another, clap your hands for group 2. According to the group 2, the advantages are it can be a form of communication. Okay. Second, enhancing the knowledge of by using surfing internet. So by using gadget or appliances, it helps the person to have an information about what will happen in our surrounding. Meaning to say, getting information. Okay, group number 3. Okay, clap your hands for group number 3. Okay, group number 3. Okay, Miss Abukal.
What are the disadvantages of using cell phone, laptop, TV, and microwave oven? So the first answer that we have is too much using cell phone can cause health sickness because of the radiation. So let's be specific. Example of microwave oven. Too much using of microwave oven can be lessen the nutrients of the food.
Okay. Next.
Number 2. The cost, the disadvantages in using the application can be affected the behavior of the person.
And then?
And then the addicted and person that use their the application.
Okay, one of the major advantages here is the laziness or addicted to the gadget. Okay, for group number 3. Good. Okay, group number 4. 4, about 4. Mabel. Okay, group number 4.
How to minimize the effect of long exposure in the radio waves? Do not expose or expend yourself to long time, a long period of time. Don't visit near the radio that have a high volume. Every 3, make sure that the volume in the radio is enough.
Okay, meaning to say, minimize the volume of your radio when you are listening. Wow. Okay, clap your hands for group number 4. Okay, group number 5. Group number 5. Daniela.
What are the effects of radio waves and microwaves in the environment? First is, if too much is of radio wave and microwave, it can cause a bad effect in the environment, make or human or person to be lazy. Number 2, if too much is of radio makes your eardrums affect or destroyed. And number 3, you can do what you want. You can do what you want to do, like
Okay, so for group number 5, one of the best answer here is if you have your too much volume of the radio waves, it can damage our eardrums. Okay, so group number 5. So this activity, we can explore the effects and what are the ways on how to eliminate or lessen the radiation coming from the radio wave and microwave. Okay?